Hello friends, welcome to our channel GK Earth, where we challenge your brain with some exciting general knowledge questions. Today we will explore 25 multiple choice general knowledge questions that will challenge your mind and spark your curiosity across a variety of topics. Are you ready? Let's start. Question number 1. The Order of Rising Sun is the highest award of which country? Option A Russia, B South Korea, C Japan and D Germany. The correct answer is Japan. The Order of Rising Sun is conferred on the person which achievement in international relations, promotion of Japanese culture, environmental preservation, welfare or achievement in their field. It was constituted by Japanese Emperor Meiji in 1875. Question number 2. The iconic Eiffel Tower in France was constructed in A 1849, B 1889, C 1929 and D 1969. The correct answer 1889. The construction work began in January 1887 and was finished on 31st March 1889. On the narrow platform at the top, Eiffel received this decoration from the Legion of Honor. Eiffel Tower Day is celebrated on 31st March to honor the tower inaugural. Question number 3. Johnny Kay invented of the flying shuttle in 1773 revolutionized the process of cotton. A weaving, B carding, C spinning and D combining. The correct answer is weaving. The flying shuttle machine that represented an important step toward automatic weighing. In previous looms, the shuttle was thrown or passed through the thread by hand, and wide fabric required two weavers seated side by side, passing the shuttle between them. Question number 4. In which nation Tops de Colonets Nature Reserve Park is located? A Spain, B Nigeria, C Brazil and D Cuba. The correct answer is Cuba. Tops de Colonets Nature Reserve Park is located in the Escambray mountain of the Cuba. This nature reserve park houses the third highest peak in Cuba. Question number 5. Which country celebrate the Day of the Dead, a festival honoring decreasing loved ones? A Spain, B Mexico, C India and D Japan. The correct answer is Mexico. Question number 6. World largest salt mine is Shifto salt mine is located in A Canada, B India, C Chile and D Germany. The correct answer is Canada. The mine is 18,000 feet below the Lake Huron. This mine produces over 7 million tons of rock salt per year. Question number 7. In which of the following countries long staple type of cotton is mainly grown? A India, B China, C Greece and D Egypt. The correct answer is Egypt. Egypt is a major exporter of cotton and its cotton is known for its quality. The majority of Egyptian cotton is long staple cotton variety called Giza 86. Question number 8. Which one of the following was the first English ship that came to India? A Red Dragon, B Bengal, C Elizabeth and D Mayflower. The correct answer is Red Dragon. The Red Dragon was the first British ship that came to India. The East India Company used her for least 5 voyages to the East Indies. In October 1619, a Dutch fleet attacked Red Dragon and sank her. Question number 9. The Portuguese built their first fort on Indian soil in the territory of Raja of A Calicut, B Cochin, C Daman and D बीजापुर। The correct answer is Cochin. The Portuguese built their first fort in India, territory of Raja of Cochin in the present day state of Kerala. The fort named for Emerald was built in 1503 with the permission of local Maharaja. Question number 10. What was the name of the newspaper edited by Gandhi ji till 1933? A. Sarvodaya, B. Times of India, C. Arya, and D. Young India. The correct answer is Young India. Young India, a weekly newspaper, English newspaper published by Gandhiji from 1990 to 1931. Gandhiji used this publication to spread his idea about the non-violence and urged Britain to consider India independence. Question number 11. Which country has won the most Olympic gold medals in men's field hockey? A. India, B. Netherlands, C. Pakistan, and D. Australia. The correct answer is India. Question number 12. In which year were the Commonwealth Games started? A. 1921, B. 1930, C. 1925, and D. 1935. The correct answer is 1930. The first Commonwealth Games were held in 1930 in Hamilton, Ontario, Canada. The games were originally called the British Empire Games. The Commonwealth Games are held every 4 years except for 1942 and 1946 due to the World War II. Question number 13. Which vegetable is used to make a kimchi in Korean cuisine? A. Lettuce, B. Cabbage, C. Carrot, and D. Cucumber. The correct answer is cabbage. Question number 14. What vegetable was originally cultivated in ancient Egypt and is considered a symbol of immortality in many cultures? A. Onion, B. Lettuce, C. Garlic, and D. Carrot. The correct answer is garlic. Question number 15. In which state have Indian Railway introduced place on wheel to promote tourism? A. Rajasthan, B. Punjab, C. Maharashtra, and D. Guntur. The correct answer is Rajasthan. The place on wheel in India, first luxury tourist train launched by the Indian Railway in joint collaboration with Rajasthan Tourism Development Corporation to promote tourism in the Rajasthan. The train was launched in 1982. Question number 16. First National Park of India that was established in 1936 was named as A. Kanha National Park, B. Bharatpur National Park, C. Rajaji National Park, and D. Heli National Park. The correct answer is Heli National Park. India's first national park was established in 1936 as a Heli National Park to protect the Bengal tiger. It is now known as a Jim Corbett National Park. It is located in Nainital district of Uttarakhand and was named after Jim Corbett, a British Indian hunter. Question number 17. Which state is called the rice bowl of India? Option A. Kerala, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Karnataka, and D. Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is historically called the rice bowl of India. More than 77% of its crop is rice. Four important rivers of India, the Godavari, Krishna, Penna, and Tungabhadra, flow through the state, providing irrigations. Question number 18. Which animal is capable of living without its head for several days? A. Cockroach, B. Spider, C. Frog, and D. Ant. The correct answer is cockroach. Cockroaches can survive for several days without their head because they breathe through tiny holes in their body not through their mouth. Question number 19. What is the fastest animal in water? A. Bonefish, B. Blue shark, D. Sailfish, and D. Blue whale. The correct answer is sailfish. The sailfish is the fastest animal in the water, reaching speed up to 68 miles per hour. The sailfish powerful muscle and special body shape allow to slice through the water with ease. Question number 20. Out of the following gland, which is referred as to master gland? A. Pituitary, B. Thyroid, C. Pancreas, and D. Adrenal gland. The correct answer is pituitary. Question number 21. The toxicity of which of the following heavy metal leads to liver cirrhosis? A. Lead, B. Mercury, C. Copper, and D. Zinc. The correct answer is copper. Question number 22. At very high altitude, the red blood cell in human body will A. Increase in size, B. Decrease in size, increase in number, and D. Decrease in number. Correct answer increase in size. Question number 23. What is the main ingredient in the guacamole? A. Tomato, B. Onion, C. Avocado, and D. Cilantro. The correct answer is avocado. Guacamole is a avocado based dip or spread that originated in Mexico. It's typically made with mashed avocado and lime juice, then seasoned with salt and cilantro. Question number 24. The oldest type of energy known to man is option A. Solar power, B. Geothermal energy, C. Tidal energy, and D. Wind power. The correct answer is geothermal energy. Geothermal energy is the oldest known type of energy dating back 4.5 billion years. Geothermal energy is the heat comes from the earth which is constantly releasing it. The words geothermal comes from Greek word geo and therm will heat. Question number 25. Which part of the sunlight make the solar cooker hot? Option A. Ultraviolet, B. Red light, C. Cosmic rays, and D. Infrared. The correct answer is infrared. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our latest videos.